Hello everyone, in today's video I will be teaching you how to cut inverted queen hand neckline top. I'll be using this paper to demonstrate to you on how to cut it out. This is the starting point. Now I'm going to take my measurement. I'm going to mark 10 inches for the bust line, under bust of 30 inches, then 16.5 inches will be for the length of the top, so that will be the waistline as well. So I'm going to mark a straight line across. This is bust point, under bust, and this is the waistline, and that's the length as well. Waistline. We are going to mark our neck width and neck depth. So I'll just take the measurement first. So the chest line we are working with is 16 inches. 16 divided by 2 is 8. So I'll mark my 8 inches here. Then I will come down by half an inch. So the neck width is going to be 3 inches. So I'll mark my 3 inches here. Then I will connect the half an inch to meet with the neck width. Having done that, I will take my chest line. So the chest line is going to be 8.5 inches. We're going to mark the 8.5 inches here as well. So I will mark a straight line down for the chest line. Then I'll mark straight line here as well. I'm going to look for the midpoint. Fold your tape measurement. So sorry, I didn't measure it very well. So you have to make sure you take accurate measurement. So we are going to forget about the upper one. Having done that, you come to the midpoint, then mark half an inch. So here I'm going to take at the chest line, I'm going to take my bust measurement. So the bust measurement we are working with is 38 inches. So 38 divided by 4, that will give us 9.5. So we mark the 9.5 here. Now we are going to connect the line. So that will be our armhole. So remember, this is the midpoint of our armhole line. So you connect it this way. So that's our armhole line. So having done that, so we are going to connect the line together. You mark a straight line. That's the chest line. Remember, we mark 9.5 inches for the chest line. Let me label it. So that's CL for the chest line. So we are going to mark the same thing at the bust line. So under bust, so our under bust is going to be 8 inches. So that is 32 divided by 4. That's 8 inches. So we are going to mark the 8 inches here. I haven't done that, so we go to the waistline. So that's the length of the top. So the waistline is 39 inches. 39 divided by 4, that is 9.75. So we are going to mark our 9.75 here. 9.75. We are going to take our bust span. So the bust span is 8 inches. 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So we are going to mark 4 inches down. We mark a straight line. Then at the chest line, we are going to come down by 1 inch. Come down by 1 inch. So we are going to extend the line to the chest line where I marked 1 inch. So that's it. Then what we are going to do next is to mark half an inch on both sides. Mark half an inch. So we are going to connect the line together. Let's connect here first. So that's it. Having done that, we are going to mark our inverted queen Anne neckline. Remember, we mark half an inch on both sides. That's 1 inch. So I will transfer the 1 inch here. So I'm going to transfer the 1 inch here as well. So the 1 inch here, I'm going to transfer it as well. So I'm going to mark it here. Just mark a straight line down this way. Now we are done with the blouse. Next thing is to cut it out first. We haven't had the sewing allowance, so you have to mark your sewing allowance. If you want to place it on your fabric, you have to mark sewing allowance of 2 inches. So we are cutting the armhole out. Haven't done that, we are going to mark our inverted neckline. Remember, we marked 3 inches here before. So this is 3 inches that we mark. The 3 inches we marked here initially. So you can see the dot. The dot is still there. You mark 6.5 inches here. Can you see it? 6.5 inches. After marking 6.5 inches, you come to the 3 inches of neck width. Then you mark 6.5 inches as well. The reason why I marked it is for us to know the exact place to mark the remaining measurement. So we are going to mark 4 inches. Just extend the line to 1.5 inches. Can you see it now? Then we can now extend the line down. Then you mark a straight line. Haven't done that, connect the line together from 3 inches of neck width to meet at the 4 inches that I marked. So you can see it. I marked 2.5 inches. Then we are going to connect it together this way. So this is what I did. Just mark it this way. Now we are going to cut the neck out. So we are going to first cut this out. So then we are going to cut this out. Then cut this out. Now our blouse is ready. Our inverted, okay, now neckline top is ready. So this is it. So you have to be careful when cutting it out. So if you want to cut it out, you have to place it on your fabric this way, then you trace it out. You're not going to have the same neck. You can mark 3 by 3 at the back. If you want to slit it at the back, you can attach a button to it. I'm going to close the dart. That's what I'm doing now. So we close the dart. So our inverted queen hand neckline is, my blouse is ready. You can see it. So you have to be careful when cutting it out. You can see it now. Just place it at the back. If you want to mark back side of it, all you have to do is to place your fabric at the back. Assuming this is the back, all you have to do is to mark 3 by 3. You mark 3 inches here at the top, 3 inches. Mark 3 inches. Then you mark 1.5 inches down. You connect the 3 by 1.5 inches, 3 inches and 1.5 inches. This is how you are going to connect it. Then you cut it out. Then after cutting it out, you slit it at the back. You mark 3 inches or 2 inches. You slit it so that you'll be able to attach your button. So this is the end of the tutorial. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever we upload a new video so that you won't miss out. Thank you for your constant support. God bless you. So this is a inverted queen hand neckline top. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.